Sleep. It's something we all do every night, yet so many of us struggle with it, cut it short, or even ignore how important it is. Think about it, if we live to 90 years old, we'll spend nearly 30 years of that time asleep. That means 1/3 of our lives is dedicated to rest. And yet, in our modern world, people treat sleep as optional, like a luxury you can sacrifice for work, social life, or entertainment. The truth is, sleep isn't optional, it's a biological necessity. Without proper sleep, your body and mind slowly fall apart. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore why sleep matters, what happens when you don't get enough, and how you can build better habits that transform your nights and your days. Most people think sleep is just switching off, like turning out a light. But inside your body, sleep is one of the most active times of the day. In deep sleep, your brain clears waste through something called the glymphatic system. It washes away toxins, including proteins that are linked to Alzheimer's. During REM sleep, your brain organizes information, processes emotions, and builds connections. That's why sleep is critical for learning and creativity. Your body also releases growth hormone during deep sleep, repairing muscles, tissues, and even your skin. Your immune system uses this time to prepare defenses against infection. Sleep is not just about feeling rested. It's literally maintenance time for your entire system. Now let's flip the coin. What happens when you don't get enough sleep? The short-term effects are easy to notice: sluggish thinking, poor focus, irritability. But even one night of poor sleep changes your body chemistry. Your insulin sensitivity drops, making your body process sugar less efficiently. Your appetite hormones get disrupted, making you crave junk food. And over time, the effects get dangerous. Chronic sleep deprivation increases your risk of heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and obesity. Studies even show that after 2 weeks of sleeping 6 hours or less, your reaction times are just as bad as someone who stayed awake for 24 hours straight. Imagine driving a car in that state. It's like driving drunk. Sleep deprivation doesn't just steal your energy. It steals your health, your safety, and even years off your life. So how much is enough? The answer depends on your age. Adults need 7 to 9 hours. Teenagers need 8 to 10. Children need 9 to 12. Babies need up to 16 hours. Some people brag about sleeping only 5 or 6 hours a night as if it's a strength. But here's the reality: studies show less than 1% of people can function well on so little sleep. For everyone else, it silently damages the brain and body. Think of sleep like charging a battery. You might run on half power for a while, but eventually the battery dies sooner. The same is true for your body. Not all sleep is equal. There are stages, and each plays a unique role. Light sleep makes up about half of your night. It's a transition phase where your body relaxes and your brain slows down. Deep sleep is when the body repairs itself, muscles grow, bones strengthen, tissues heal. Then there's REM sleep. This is dream sleep, where emotions are processed and creativity is sparked. A healthy night includes cycles through all these stages about 4 to 6 times. Cutting your night short means you miss out on some of these cycles, especially the important deep and REM phases. So what can you do to improve your sleep? Consistency is key. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This resets your body's internal clock. Get natural sunlight in the morning to wake your body and reduce screen time before bed. The blue light from phones tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. Create the right environment. Cool, dark, and quiet rooms are best. Set your bedroom temperature around 18 to 20 degrees. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Caffeine can linger in your system for 6 to 8 hours, and alcohol disrupts deep sleep, even if it makes you feel sleepy at first. Train your brain to associate bed with rest, not scrolling or working. And finally, build a wind-down routine. Try stretching, reading, or listening to calming sounds. This signals your brain it's time to shut down. Each small change adds up. Over weeks, your sleep becomes deeper and more restorative. Prioritizing sleep is one of the most powerful health moves you can make. With better sleep, your memory sharpens, your focus lasts longer, your mood stabilizes, and your body heals faster. Your risk of chronic disease drops. Think about it: nutrition, exercise, productivity, mental health, everything works better with good sleep. It's the foundation that supports everything else. So tonight, give yourself permission to rest. Protect your sleep like you protect your health, because they're the same thing. If you'd like a little help drifting off, explore the black screen sleep sounds on this channel. They're clean, high quality, and designed to create the perfect environment for rest. Subscribe to Ambient Drifting, and let's make better sleep a daily priority. Sweet dreams.